Well, the time is 6 o'clock p.m. on April, I guess it's what, 26, 2012. I love saying that. 6 o'clock. It's freaking dark in here. And whoa, shit, there's water pouring all over the place. It's really dark, and I'm wondering if we're getting a tornado. I don't know, because I've been sleeping, and everyone's gone, and the house is like dark. So let's take a look out here. The sky's getting kind of green looking. So I'm kind of seeing if we're in for something. Whoa, shit, wind is picking up. You'll notice it's kind of dark over here. Clouds are moving very quickly. It's very light over here. I don't know what the hell is going on right now. But I don't know, maybe nothing's gonna happen. Got the wind blowing that way. Clouds are moving very fiercely. Holy shit. Fucking suck. Alright. Wow. Holy crap, we got big pieces of hail coming through. Real big pieces of hail. There might be a tornado right now. Holy crap. Holy shit, that's big fucking hail. Whoa! Holy fuck! Holy crap! Wow! My car! Wow! Here I am. I'm right here. There's hail right here. It's really big. And, shit! Holy fuck! Look at that! I've never seen anything like that in my life, ever. Wow. Holy shit. Whoa, dude, this is crazy. Holy, look at this hail, man. Look at this shit. It's huge. We got dudes speeding down here. Man, I'm getting my damn shoes on. Holy, wow, fuck. Holy shit. Any shoes will do. Hold on. People are speeding through the damn streets. They're freaking out. Check this out, man. Holy crap. People are speeding through the streets like mad. Whoa, that looks like they got a tornado going there. We gotta get the cat. Wow, man, it's crazy. Well, that was pretty cool. Well, I guess until anything else happens, I'll be giving you some more coverage if we have anything else happen. That was quite a trip. So, all right, later.